Running a marketing agency used to feel like a circus act until a few months ago I discovered GoHighLevel, and let me tell you, why have people been gatekeeping this tool for me? Because it's completely changed the way I run my marketing agency. GoHighLevel can replace almost every single tool I've been using and make my life so much easier. So today I wanted to give you an honest review and walk you through GoHighLevel so that you can see whether this is a good fit for you. Hey, my name is Milou and I own a $500,000 social media marketing agency, and I now help social media managers like yourself do the same. If you're new here, make sure to grab my free guide on how to become a high-paid social media manager that I will drop right here. Now, let's dive straight in, shall we? Now, let's talk about pricing of GoHighLevel, because of course this plays a huge factor. As marketers and social media managers, the subscriptions and the tools in our tech stack add up over time. Even that $10 to $20, all the tools you're using, you want to make sure this is within your budget and within the service offers you provide for clients. Now, their starting package, once you do sign up, is only, and I say only, $97 a month. The reason I say only, because once I actually dive into the tool with you, you will see that it doesn't make sense for you to keep spending so much money on the other marketing tools that you currently have. So for $97 a month, you get access, honestly, to the entire tool. You can use their booking links, pipelines, track leads, build websites, build funnels, and so much more. It's pretty insane how much you can do with just their basic plan, which is only $97 a month, and it can help you make more money because you can use this for clients. I believe the starter package gives you up to 6 sub-accounts, which means if you have 6 clients, you could fall under the starting packet, the starting plan, where you can manage 6 clients and make so much money in your marketing agency. Now, they do have a big jump to $297 a month. If you are an actively growing, scaling agency, then you more than likely will want unlimited accounts. The $297 plan is sufficient for you. And the best part about the unlimited plan too is that you can completely white label GoHighLevel. So instead of it saying GoHighLevel, it will have your agency logo, your name everywhere, and your branding. And of course, that is very nice when you are growing your agency and you want to make sure that that is really your platform rather than GoHighLevel. But this pricing, compared to having all the different tools, let's say an email marketing tool, which is at least $50 a month, and then wait until your subscribers grow and it will only add up. Again, a paid subscription is going to cost a lot of money. So $97 a month is way more accessible for us marketers to build our agency rather than having 20 different tools. Now, make sure to grab my free trial link so that you can test it out for 30 days yourself with no attachment and see all of the capabilities GoHighLevel has. Now that we got the pricing out of the way, let's talk about the marketing capabilities GoHighLevel has, because that's what we're here for as agency owners and even social media managers. So going into GoHighLevel, you can see I have the white label plan, and this is the agency view. But if I go in here, this is what you would call a sub account. So I created a sub account for my agency. I don't have clients in here yet since we're still building out our own GoHighLevel and transitioning everything over. But if you go into the sub account, you will see here you have access to all of these tools for not only marketing, but lead tracking, building pipelines, automations, and so much more. But again, I want to walk you through the marketing side of things. So there's many things you will find here. While they have a social planner even included, you can do your email marketing, so you can do campaigns. You can upload snippets here if other people provide you with a snippet for GoHighLevel, you can implement that and work off that. You have affiliates that you can set up and so much more. So that is technically the marketing side. But if you go into sites, this is where it gets really, really interesting. Now, as social media managers, it's becoming harder and harder for us to not really prove our value, but to compete with other people in the field and to compete with AI, right? And so if you want to be a really high level social media manager, you need to start understanding funnels and how social media functions as part of a funnel so that you can deliver better results for clients and charge more money. So one of the things I've been working on quite a bit for clients and myself is funnels. So something cool inside of GoHighLevel is that you can build funnels, and it doesn't even have to be from scratch. So you can decide you can create a funnel from scratch, you can get the help of AI or use a template. Now here's where you can see how easy it becomes to build funnels and actually start bringing in leads for clients or again for yourself. Lots of things to choose from, but just to show you how you don't have to build anything from scratch. You don't have to be a pro funnel builder. This is very user-friendly for anyone that wants to add this on as a service, wants to include this into their packages and so much more. So here you'll see how you can build out the entire funnel for clients or for yourself. Now, if you're doing this for a client, you would want to create a separate sub account for the client, charge them whatever you want to charge them, and start building these things in there for them. So let's say you want to offer funnels for a client and you want to maintain that funnel for them. You could, for example, charge them $100 a month where you build their funnel, maintain their funnel, optimize it, you name it. Or you can charge them a one-time fee, let's say $1,500 to build out a complete funnel, and then you charge them maybe a $90 maintenance fee. That way your client is already covering the GoHighLevel cost for you. So the funnel one is one part. As you can see here, you can build websites for your clients. Now, while I am very much positioned in doing social media management for clients, if a client does need a website, I do offer it to them, not for the same price as a custom website designer would have, but if they need build off a template, a website that really functions as a very simple funnel, we can totally do that. Now, some other things you can see here, if your client wants to host a webinar funnel, for example, you can support that. It will provide you with analytics of your funnels, how many people opted in, how many sales were made. You can set up a form for a client, whether it's for lead magnets, free downloads. You can do all of that inside of GoHighLevel. Now, a few others that might be interesting too is setting up a quiz. Quizzes have become way more popular nowadays in bringing in leads where people take a quiz and in order to get their results, they will need to opt in. But there are so many capabilities when it comes to the marketing side, either on the email marketing or managing social, but especially what I find most interesting is building out funnels for clients, because this is the fastest way for you to scale your agency. Now, at this point, maybe you are a little bit overwhelmed with all the capabilities one tool has for you. So how user-friendly is it really? That's something I was a little bit skeptical about myself because I'm very limited on time. So if I have to learn a completely new tool from scratch, this can be very time-consuming. Now, I'm not the most tech-savvy person, but I am someone who will put in their best effort to figure something out. And so what I found is that it is more user-friendly than it looks. It can look a little bit intimidating on getting started, but my biggest hiccup was actually connecting my email DNS and website domains to the platform. So you do need to have the tag set up to where you connect your domains to GoHighLevel so that you can start sending emails, so that you can start building websites, and it doesn't say GoHighLevel.com, but instead it will say Simply Media Advertising. And so that was my biggest thing. Now, here's the best part. GoHighLevel does offer support. So if you start your free trial using my link below, you will jump on a call with someone from GoHighLevel that will completely help you in this setup. For me, this was a game changer. I jumped on a call for maybe 20 to 30 minutes for someone to help me walk me through setting that up. And from there on, I was ready to roll. I can set up automations. I can start my email marketing because now my domain is actually connected. So if you are someone that's completely new to this tool and want to start adding this to your agency and your services, I would recommend starting that free trial using my link below, setting up a tech call with someone from GoHighLevel so that you can have a real run at testing the platform, and then only focusing on the actual stuff that you want to use in your business today. Start small with something that actually is useful for your business. So we have clients with huge audiences that drive so much traffic, But one thing they were lacking is funnels. They don't have one setup funnel where we put all the social media traffic through to make sure they get email marketing, they get automations, to make sure we don't lose them as leads. And so that was my main focus for me. I recently started running ads for Elite Social Society. You may have seen them on Instagram. And I had to pause them. Before I was using GoHighLevel, I was using ConvertKit, Metapixels, Squarespace websites, you name it. And it was a disaster. My ads manager told me, we gotta pause this. This is not working. And we need to completely have you set up in GoHighLevel. So that was really my flag to start moving everything over, because you need everything in one place and make it super easy for people to book a call with you, buy from you, take the next step, versus making them jump through different hoops and circus, you know? So what does the lead tracking inside of GoHighLevel look like? Because of course, if we're using a tool like this that has great analytics, it has all these marketing tools, we need to report back to clients. If we want to charge more, have a bigger impact, we need numbers and data, right? And this is really where a tool like GoHighLevel shines, so that you can report back, bring in leads, give them all the information, etc. So let's take a look. Here is the dashboard on contacts. Here is an example where you can see I, opted into my own lead magnet. I set up a automated workflow where I tagged each person that would fill out a certain form as the lead magnet. You can do this however you wish, but you can see I am in here as a lead. You see my name, number, email. And so all of your leads will show up here inside of your contacts. Now, if you go inside of opportunities, once you're fully set up, you will see where in the pipeline or funnel a lead will come into. So how many new leads did you bring in, and how much money is that potentially? How many people booked an appointment? And you can build out this pipeline and funnel exactly the way you wish. So here you can have different funnels for different departments in your business. But to keep this simple, you can keep it under this, and you can see exactly, okay, we got this many new leads. Do they need to book an appointment? Do we need to follow up with them? And so this is a little bit more advanced, but here you can keep track of all of the leads coming into your business or your client's business, so that, let's say, if they have a salesperson or someone else on their team who handles leads, they can call them, they can email them, and you can set up workflows accordingly. Now, if you're someone or your client sells products, memberships, whatever it may be, this is what you would find under payments, where you can actually see how much money was being made. Did invoices get paid? Do they still need to go out? So you can see their orders here. Again, this is only for people who have products, and set them up through GoHighLevel, as well as subscriptions and all of that good stuff. But as you can see here in the dashboard for each, you can see an overview, a very neat overview on where you're currently at. Now, again, this goes next level if you want to take it that far with GoHighLevel. But again, I would recommend starting small and focusing on things you need in your business today, so that you can level up, offer new services, and really scale your social media marketing agency beyond just posting for clients. I hope you enjoyed this honest review on the GoHighLevel. I hope you're going to check it out at least and start their free trial using my link below. Set up a call to get integrated, to give it a real try for 30 days, because I promise you, I wish I knew about this tool sooner. And I truly feel like people have been gatekeeping it from me because I wasn't aware there was something like this out there. If you find this helpful, make sure you leave a comment below, like this video, subscribe, and I will see you in next week's video.